I just picked up the cheapest grill money can buy. Picked this up off of Amazon. Let's see if it can make a great steak. So let's go ahead and find out. Let's get started. All right, for step one, let's go ahead and start a fire. All right, now that we got that fire going, I'll show you guys this little grill here. Like I said, this was a $20 grill off of Amazon. I was really curious to see this thing can make a really good steak. So it has these little attachments here, so you can actually keep it closed if you want to like smoke or whatever. Here's a little vent tube, whatever. We're gonna go ahead and open this thing up. Once our charcoal's ready, we're gonna add it right here. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and start marinating our steak. Whiskey break. All right, let's get these steaks ready. So we're using this USDA choice ribeye from Trader Joe's. It's a very good looking steak, you guys. Check it out. Beautiful. Ribeyes are my favorite. We're gonna be keeping it really simple, guys. Throw some olive oil on here, both sides. Some olive oil in the mix. And that's basically it. And I have my salt, pepper, garlic. Show you guys a close-up what this looks like. This is my own little mix I did. It's really good. I'm gonna just coat that on thick here. Bam. Can't over salt steak. So I'm gonna hit the other side. Very peppery. And if you want to make this yourself, you can just get salt, pepper, and then get a garlic powder. And that's all it takes, man. We're gonna hit these sides here. Before I hear it in the comments saying I forgot to, there you go. All sides of the steak, even the fat side. We're ready to go, guys. Look at these guys. Oh man. All right, let's check on our heat. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and throw in our steaks. Oh man, you guys hear that sizzle? Beautiful, man. Something tells me I'm gonna like this little cheap grill. All right, let's see how this steak does. Look, I've had other steak videos. I made a steak on my Blackstone that's been by far my favorite steak. I used cowboy butter. It was delicious, to say the least. I also made another steak video on my Pit Boss, which was probably the second best steak I've ever had. And we'll see this one. Let's see if this one is the best steak on this little tiny grill. We'll see. Maybe, maybe not. Let's find out, guys. So I picked up some rosemary. I'm gonna throw in a little pot, and we're gonna throw some butter in there as well. And we're gonna warm that thing up. I also have some extra rosemary I'm gonna put once I flip the steak. A little bit of butter at the top as well. Let's check to see if this thing's ready to flip. Oh yeah. It's ready, guys. Flip the other side. Beautiful. Starting to look really great out here. Get our butter over here. I'm actually gonna close this for a second. Just to see if this, okay, so it won't close with this thing, so it's pretty low. Can't put something crazy big in here. I'm curious to see if I can cook some ribs on here though. Maybe I'll cook that for my next one. What do you guys think I should cook next? Let me know in the comments. Got that butter. I'm gonna throw some on here. Since we have it. Make sure we don't dry it out. I'm almost using this as like a basting. All right. This is how you cook steak, guys. Gotta keep that steak moist. Let me give this thing a flip. Oh yeah. Rosemary on there. I'm gonna pull them off of here. All right, so we pulled the steak out. We're gonna let it rest for about 10 minutes. Then we're gonna slice into it. See what we got. All right, guys, steak's been resting for 10 minutes. We're gonna give this thing a try now. Put this guy to the side, move it around a little bit. All right. Can move that rosemary. For all you steak experts, I do know how to cook a steak medium rare. Here was the other steak I cooked. So here it is, perfectly cooked steak. All right, back to the well done steak. All right, guys, let's give this thing a slice. And at our house, they like it well done. So I know it's not as red as some of you guys would like, but this is the way we like to eat it, just because the kids are picky and they don't want the red. So I know I should have pulled it at 130, but this is the way they like it. So that's the way it's gonna go down at our house today, man. But yeah, just look how tender the steak is, how juicy it is. And we're gonna just cut it all up, and we're gonna give it a taste right now. Just gonna cut one of the steaks for you guys. To give this steak a try. What do you think?
It's good.
This is nice and tender. Now, is it better than cooking on the Blackstone? Not as great, but for a $20 grill, you can definitely get it done. Still not bad. If you don't have a lot of money and you want to cook some delicious steak, this will definitely be plenty. You just got to know how to use it. So in the end, it's more about knowing how to cook than actually the actual cooking hardware. Let's try another piece though. I'm gonna try a piece with a little extra salt, pepper, garlic. You too? Mm-hmm. My son wants to try one too. Let's see what he thinks. Here you go. We're a seasoning kind of family. Here you go. That's good. All right, guys, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Orozcos Kitchen. And if you like this video, definitely like this next video up here. Let me know in the comments first what else I should cook on this little grill. All right, later.